Hey, this is Josh from Josh Builds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this air engine right here. First, I'm going to get two large bottle caps, and I'm going to drill a hole in each. I'll be using these for cylinders. Now I'm going to get two balloons as well, and we'll be using these for the pistons. Next, I'm going to get a hold of a few gift cards that I don't need anymore, and I'm going to use these to build the slide of the engine. The slide is essentially a mechanism that changes up the air from flowing into one piston to the other piston. This helps us get our rotational motion. Now I'm going to get a clothes hanger and cut out a straight piece of metal. Now I'm going to start bending it to make the crankshaft. Now it's important that for each of these bends, they be 1/4 inch. So all the parts that stick out of the crankshaft that attach to each of the cylinders and the slide will each stick out 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to get some straws ready so I can use them as connecting rods to connect the pistons to the crankshaft. Now the engine is essentially done. I'm going to add a gear onto the shaft here as a flywheel. A flywheel is essentially weight that keeps the engine going. Now on the gear, I'm going to also add something a little larger so we have a little more weight to keep it going. Watching to the end of my video. Feel free to like and subscribe and check out ways to support me to help me make more cool and better videos like this one. To see my other projects and buy parts you might need, you can check out my channel or my website joshbuilds.com. You can also follow me on my social networks to keep updated with my new content. Thanks.